welcome to Beatrepreneur.com. I'm Koollbreezze. I'm your host. I'll be giving it to you raw and uncut today. Basically, we're going to talk about intellectual property on how to protect it. All right? So without any further ado, make sure you hit the like and the subscribe button, and let's get right to it. All right, guys, introduction. In the dynamic world of beat production, your creativity knows no bounds. Crafting unique rhythms and melodies isn't just a passion, it's an art form that resonates with people worldwide. But with great art comes the responsibility of protecting your intellectual property, IP. In this digital age where sharing is the norm, how can you ensure that your beats remain exclusively yours? Buckle up, because we're about to drop some serious knowledge on securing your sonic masterpieces. All right, number one, chapter 1, knowledge is power, understanding intellectual property. Before you dive into the depths of protection, it's crucial to comprehend what exactly falls under the umbrella of intellectual property. From the beats you compose to the samples you tweak, every element is an expression of your creativity. Familiarize yourself with copyright, trademarks, and patents to identify which aspects of your work can be safeguarded. Chapter 2. Beat it to the Copyright Office. Copyright your creations. Copyright is your best friend when it comes to beat protection. The moment your beat is set in a fixed form, recorded or written down, it's automatically copyrighted. However, registering your work with the Copyright Office provides an extra layer of legal armor. This gives you the exclusive right to reproduce, distribute, and perform and display your beats, ensuring you have the upper hand against any infringement. Copyright website is copyright.gov. All right, chapter 3. Collaboration contracts. Set the ground rules. Collaboration inject fresh perspectives into your beats, but they also demand clear agreements. Before any project kicks off, lay out the terms of engagement. Who owns what? What are the usage rights? How will royalties be split? Having a solid collaboration contract protects everyone involved and avoids disputes down the line. Chapter 4. Watermark your signature sound. Watermarking isn't just for images. It works wonders for your beats too. Incorporate a subtle audio watermark, a unique sonic signature that's almost imperceptible but undeniably yours. This not only reinforces your brand, but also acts as a deterrent against unauthorized usage. Number 5, virtual private beats. Limit online access. In a digital age, sharing is inevitable, but oversharing can be detrimental. Limit access to your full beats, especially if your work's in progress. Utilize private platforms for sharing previews with collaborators, clients, or labels. This controlled sharing minimizes the risk of leaks or uncredited usage. Chapter 6. Timestamps don't lie. Document your process. You ever heard of the poor man's copyright? While it's not a legal replacement, documenting your creative process with timestamps can serve as evidence in case of disputes. Keep records of your drafts, changes, and developments. They can be invaluable if you need to prove ownership. Chapter 7. Monitor and enforce. Stay vigilant. The online realm can be a double-edged sword. While it offers exposure, it also exposes your beats to potential theft. Dun dun. Utilize online tools and services that track and monitor the usage of your beats across platforms. If you spot unauthorized use, act swiftly to to enforce your rights. Chapter 8, educate and elevate, meaning raise awareness. The beat production community is vast and diverse. Consider hosting workshops, webinars, or talks to educate fellow producers about the importance of IP protection. When everyone is on the same page, the community as a whole becomes more resilient against IP theft. In conclusion, your beats are your soul's echo, reverberating through time and space. Protecting your intellectual property isn't just about legalities, it's about preserving your legacy by understanding the ins and outs of IP protection, copyright, collaboration agreements, and digital tools. You're fortifying the future of beat production. So let your creativity flow freely now that you've built a fortress around your sonic creations.